Hi there, it's Howie here with EcoZap again. Today we're going to talk about the lifespan of an air conditioning system. It used to be that the air conditioning system could last 30, sometimes 35 years is about the oldest I've seen. These days the air conditioning systems don't last nearly as long as they used to. Average lifespan of an air conditioning system nowadays is probably anywhere between 15 and 20 years, depending on what region you are in the country. Down here in Texas, it's about 15 to 20 years. Further down toward the coast in Galveston, it's about 8 years. This is due to the climate along the Gulf Coast and the salt coming in off of the air. But there are a lot of things that you can do to make your system last a little bit longer. So let's go ahead and head over to the whiteboard. So I'm going to give you some ideas on things you can do to help out your air conditioning system last as long as it can. You'll have to forgive me, I'm not an artist, but it'll get the point across. So a lot of people, this is going to be their house. We'll just pretend this is their house. And then let's just say right here is their air conditioning unit. Their air conditioning unit is going to pull in air from the sides and push air out of the top. So you're going to have air going this way. That's going to be warmer than the air temperature. Then you have air going in this way. And if you look around the outside of that condensing unit, you're going to see what looks like a big radiator. And it works the same as a radiator, where the air going over the coils is allowing for that to transfer. So a lot of people are going to have landscaping. And around their air conditioning, they're going to have grass. It's a pretty common thing. But what happens is in the summertime, it's a nice hot summer day, your landscaper comes or you're out mowing your grass and you trim around your air conditioning unit. The grass that you're trimming is going to blow right into those coils, clogging them up, making your air conditioner much less efficient. And ultimately what happens, it'll clog so bad that it will not be able to be fixed. So a lot of people like dogs and cats too. And what happens is they're going to go ahead and walk over to your air conditioning unit and urinate all over it. Well, the urine is going to cause the coils to deteriorate, therefore there will be no transfer taking place and it's going to be much less efficient, therefore it's going to lead to early failure. So there are a few things you can do at home for little to no money that can help protect your air conditioning system from animals. One of those things is lattice. I see this a lot, and that's a really good way to go because it's open and allows it to breathe. If you put that about 12 to 16 inches or so around your air conditioning system, that will really help keep the animals away from it, keeping the urine off of it, therefore making it last as long as possible. So I really hope no matter where you're at in the country, you found this video informative. That way you can take care of things yourself and not have to pay a professional to come out and fix them. So until next time, this is Howie.